Good day to all employers. Let me introduce myself to you. My name is Caroline Fernandez Pubasan. I am 37 years old, single with one child. I'm a high school graduate. I live in Binangon, Rizal from Philippines. I have an experience for around 40 years and 3 months in Saudi Arabia into 2021 to 2024. They have 6 members of the family, 3 adults and 3 children. One adult is a couple, one adult is a mother of my employer. Children, 4 years old, 1 year old, and newborn. My main duties is to take care of 3 children. I giving them foods, changing diaper, changing clothes, and also take a bath. I also work for the house, like ironing clothes, washing dishes, cooking, and baking. Mom and sir, if you give me a chance to work with you, I promise I'm a hardworking, loving, flexible, and I follow the rules of your house. Thank you, Mom and sir, to watching my introducing videos. God bless and thank you.